All right, so the appliance guys get here today, and guess what? First thing they do, measure the refrigerator opening. And they said it's the wrong one because this was built for a fridge that sticks out a little bit, and we ordered an inset Sub-Zero. So of course, it's a lot of money. It's got to be rebuilt now. And then the microwave, you can see it's supposed to be inset as well, perfectly flush mount, but this is not made properly for it. So now we get to the point of, okay, great. Well, what do we do now? So now they're going to have to rebuild these cabinets all the way up. These are going to be take an inch out of this whole section, an inch out of this section to give 2 more inches for here, which means they got to rebuild all those too. And then they got to rebuild that and that microwave drawer. I don't think they have to rebuild that. I think they can make this drawer, that drawer bank's going to be a couple inches smaller. So anyway, these are the fun things that happen during construction. And then of course, they also get here to put the, it's a Wolf range coming in here because we did the Wolf and Sub-Zero family. And there's no 220. Well, they have it, but they didn't put the plug on. So now they have to come back tomorrow. So these are the fun things that happen with construction. Aren't they fun? And half of our house is like blocked off, but hey, we're gonna live. I didn't even lose control. I literally sat down and said, okay, God, help me process this properly without getting angry, but standing firm on what needs to happen, because of course they tried to talk me into taking a different refrigerator that would stick out a little bit. And I said, no, I paid a lot of money for this kitchen and for those appliances, I want the right ones. So yikes, it's gonna cost them a lot of money to redo, but it is what it is. So in the meantime, I get some kind of cheap refrigerator delivered tomorrow that will give us at least what we need to live. Okay, so we got a solution. We have a temporary fridge. No, it doesn't fit, but that was really kind of the kitchen company to get us one until they rebuild this cabinet for us. The stove is going in soon. They're getting it connected. Everything else is kind of a mess. Lots of unpacking today. Okay, so he's drilling out the back where the microwave goes. And these guys are checking out this new, I've never had a wood oven before. I've only had Thermador, which I really like, but this had a little bit of a better warranty. So we are going with this one. And it was about the same price actually. It's a 48-inch stove. Well, we have moved in 2 days ago. These guys are not going to be done on schedule. Surprise, surprise, it's construction. Okay, but they are going to be done supposedly by Friday. So all that travertine there should be cleaned up. They're getting the stone in there. That fireplace looks like it's almost done. They're gonna be doing the turf and all the landscaping in the next couple days. Our TV got mounted out here. At least our windows are open. They got this painted. These are ready for the ceiling fans, but I had to put that off just because of timing. Here we are. We got some of our stuff in. These appliances are, all of our stuff in, I should say. The appliances are almost ready to go in those spots. Here we go. Got a lot of our Southwest art here. Let's see, okay. There's our little temporary fridge until they rebuild this cabinet, which is gonna be done when we are out of town. And then this hood vent is supposed to come in next week, so this should be coming together, and then all this junk will be out the counter because I'm a kind of a neat freak with stuff like that, but this is all the little extra things that we're working on right now. And it's coming together. There's the same bar stools we've used for 3 different houses here in Arizona. They've worked perfectly with our decor. So here we go. More to come. Oh, they haven't finished this courtyard either. So this is gonna be coming together in this week too. All of these plants will be redone. In these pots, our pots arrived, and they will be replanted, and it's coming along. Got that little area done. So most of the work happening right now is happening outside, although it feels like it's been very slow. They're starting to get the outline where all the turf is going to go around the property, and then now they're putting in all the appliances out there, and they still have to do the top of the ceiling and the top of the pergola area. Well, there's at least 5 guys here, and they're getting all of this ready for this. Is all going to be turf all the way around, like about a foot strip everywhere around, outlining the pool and everything. That's supposed to go in tomorrow. And I think out front, we have some delivery of some big boulders. I gotta look at this. But these, because these are part of the landscaping, tomorrow all the plants come, I hope, because all these things are almost dead. And we have new pots because we need those. But these are humongous rocks, okay? Those are like, 4-foot rocks. He said 2.5 tons or something. I don't know, something like that. It's a lot. Anyways, they're getting ready to do that tomorrow. We'll see how it goes, because this is not going to be flat anymore. This is going to be contoured like our neighbors, where it goes like that. Anyway, we'll see how it comes along. Okay, just a few minutes later, and we've got some stuff there. Our grill's going in, it looks like. They've had some trouble with this. Oh, that's like the garbage, I think, or something. I don't know. I have a feeling they got the wrong thing. Oh, maybe it's garbage in a drawer. Okay, hopefully that's the right thing. And then the other one is the cooler. So it's coming along. Okay, so we just got out here after they left. But, so this is all gonna be turf in here. But they're just kind of getting this whole bar area ready. We've got some stuff that's gonna happen on the ceiling, and these are gonna be some panels. And this is gonna be turf where they've cut it all out. All the plants and things are gonna be reused and re-put around in those back areas. So we'll see how it turns out. Oh, it's gonna be a pretty sunset tonight here in Arizona.